Alright, we're comparing my 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee on the RTI Ramp, comparing it to an 82 K10. I took the sway bar off mine so I can flex a little bit better. But yeah, this will be a better angle. Yeah, that's carbureted, so, you know, have a little bit of issues with it. But 82 K10, swapped from a diesel to a gas engine. I'm not for sure exactly what engine's in it, but we'll see how far he gets up. The actual score on it. I think for the score you got to go how far you went up divided by wheelbase times 1,000 or something. Alright, mine will be interesting because you're supposed to do this in 4-low, but mine's all-wheel drive, but it's stuck in high. The transfer case is broke, so I mean I got first, but that's it. Alright, you're good. Keep coming up. Slow, keep it slow. It's getting close on the back. Oh, she did.
Carburetor.
Stupid carburetors. It's kind of cold out. There we go. Get it right. Is his hub? Check his hubs. Yeah. Alright, we're good. Just keep wanting to die. Alright. You're spinning. Good. Park it. Alright, we'll take his score.
Dude, that looks sick.
We'll take his score real quick and get back to you. Alright, we found out he is rubbing down here a little.
No, it's almost.
No, it's almost actually.
I got all the flex. That's as much as I can flex.
Yeah, but his
actually, I have a little bit more, but
driver's side back tire was starting to spin, so he's capped out.
Hey,
looks pretty good.
I think they're Dana 44s. Good time to check.
All right, so take a score. Then we'll get my Jeep up there.
Oh man, I could change the oil.
And check it out. All right, so he got 70 inches from top to the middle of his tire. So we'll do the math a little bit later.
It's 11-foot wheelbase.
11-foot wheelbase. So he times that, divide that, and then times it. Yeah, just roll it back. So 70 inches. See how far mine gets.
You're good?
You're good. All right.
It ran out. The carburetor starved is white.
Oh. Alright, well, get back to you and when we get the Jeep going, I guess. Alright, this thing starts, hopefully. There we go. Alright.